My name is Rayan. For a long time, I believed that success must look big. I thought successful people were always loud, always confident, always showing their achievements. Because of this, I often felt small. I was not very loud. I was not the most talented. I was not the fastest learner. Sometimes, I felt invisible. In school, some students were always talking about their plans. They spoke about becoming famous. They spoke about becoming rich. They spoke about big dreams. I also had dreams, but I did not speak about them often. One day, our teacher gave the class a difficult project. We had to prepare a presentation in English. The project required research, practice, and confidence. Many students were excited. Some students started planning loudly. They said things like, "Our presentation will be the best. We will win easily." I listened quietly. Instead of talking, I started working. Every evening, I read more about the topic. I practiced speaking slowly. I wrote my ideas carefully. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. But every day, I improved a little. Nobody noticed my preparation. Nobody asked what I was doing. But I continued working quietly. Week after week, my confidence started growing. When the presentation day arrived, the classroom was full of energy. Students looked nervous. Some people who talked a lot suddenly felt unsure. When my turn came, I walked to the front. My heart was beating fast. But I remembered the hours of practice. I took a deep breath. Then I started speaking. My voice was calm. My ideas were clear. My sentences were simple but confident. I was not perfect, but I was prepared. When I finished, the class became quiet. Then the teacher smiled. She said, "Rayan, this is an excellent presentation." For the first time, many classmates looked at me differently. But the most important change was inside me. I realized something powerful. Success does not always come from loud words. It often comes from quiet effort. Many people talk about dreams, but fewer people work for them. Quiet, hard work may not be visible at first, but over time, it creates strong results. Since that day, I stopped comparing myself with others. I stopped worrying about being the loudest person. Instead, I focused on working quietly, reading more, practicing more, improving daily. Because real growth does not need noise, it only needs effort. Final thought. You do not need to be the loudest person in the room. Sometimes, the quietest worker achieves the biggest progress. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep improving slowly. And always remember, quiet hard work creates powerful success.